Hello, my name is Miss Marriott, and I teach AP English Literature and English for Honors here at Plant High School. I'm very excited about this upcoming year, which will be my 8th year teaching and my 6th year teaching AP Literature. Um, Even though we're not really sure yet what it's going to look like in terms of e-learning or brick and mortar or anything like that, I can tell you that I personally am very excited about all the unique challenges that we're facing because it is when we are in our moments of discomfort that we learn most. We learn what it means to be human, we learn what it takes for us to overcome challenges and things like that. And as I only teach seniors in high school, who are about to embark on their adult lives beyond this building, I really enjoy having the opportunity to act as kind of guidance within the English world for these students and how they transition from the realm of high school into college. So, no matter if you are in my AP literature class or my English 4 class, I will be treating you as though you are already in the adult world, and how I will treat you the way that college professors often treat their students, with a little bit of some of that support that is great about the high school environment. So, we're going to work on you being fully functioning, independent adults while still here in high school so that you are most prepared for the real world once you leave the building. I'm very excited about using the online platform as well. Prior to the pandemic and everything happening, I had been transitioning my students to turning all of their assignments online and using online sources within their day-to-day activities because I feel that's where we're moving as a society. So I'm very excited about using Canvas, and I hope that you guys are too, because it is a wonderful tool that will help us make this year as smooth and academically challenging as possible. Thank you so much for joining us, and I look forward to a wonderful year with you all.